All right, let's go ahead and wrap up quizzing with Edmodo. Also wanted to mention that you don't necessarily need to pay for a premium subscription to hide these ads. You'll just have to click hide every time, which is a little inconvenient, but you wouldn't have to do that in the premium version. So these quizzes, I would say, are best for formative assessments. You're able to post them, schedule them, put a time limit on them, see your students' statistics, so you can kind of tailor your instruction to their results. You're able to remind students to take a test, and this doesn't mean that Edmodo can only be used for education, but it can be used in unconventional ways. Yeah, very simple, very effective. Maybe not the best place for like a home base for your class, but definitely a useful tool. So, thank you for watching, and good luck using Edmodo quizzes.